Hi kids, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, let's learn how to draw alphabet A. A is for apple. Letter B. B is for ball. Letter C. C is for cat. Letter D. D is for dog. Letter E. E is for elephant. Letter F. F is for fish. Now again, green color. Letter A. A is for aeroplane. Letter B. B is for ball. Letter C. C is for car. Letter D. D is for darling. Letter E. E is for eat. Letter F. F is for fish. Letter G. G is for gorilla. Letter H. H is for house. Letter I. I is for ice cream. J. J is for jellyfish. K. K is for kettle. L. L is for lion. Letter G. G is for God. Letter H. H is for hen. I is for ice cream. K is for kid. L is for lion. A B C D E F A B C D E F G H I J K L C H I J K L. Bye bye kids.